My name is Rahul Chauhan, founder of India's leading corporate travel management platform, roomsexpert.com. Today we have got Mr. Sanjay Gupta with us. He owns a resort in Satal. So before we go ahead, I would request Sanjay if you can tell us something about your hotel and where is it located?
Hi, good afternoon, Rahul. Thanks for inviting me over to the platform. We have a resort in Satal, and actually it is on a village named Suryagaon. It is a hilltop over the Satal Lake. And if you are aware, the Satal Lake is in the triangle of Satal, Bhimtal, Nainital, and in Uttarakhand. And it is a boutique resort with around 5 cottages with in-house facilities for recreational billiards and dining with well-equipped kitchen and independent lawns for all the cottages. And there are three-room cottages with. It was made like a residential houses with attached bathrooms, kitchen, which is now working as a pantry, and a dining area and a drawing room.
Okay. Sanjay, if you can also let us know what's the name of your property so that our guests can.
The property is right now leased to Hansford, and they are running it by the name of Hansford Resorts, Satal. So it is called on the website of Hansford. It will be called Hansford Resorts. The property is Satal.
So if we just Google Hansford Resort Satal,
Hansford
your property
Resort,
would come up.
it will come up. It will pop up
Perfect.
on the website, and all the rooms and the pictures will be available on it. Hansford
And
Resort.
how many rooms do you have in your resort,
Sanjay? We have 12 rooms. And like a conferencing facility for around 20 people. And we have a massage room also and a spa room basically.
Okay, great. With these kind of situations which are currently happening, Sanjay, how do you see that? What kind of how your resort is preparing to handle customer safety?
Customer safety for the employees, we are planning the usual sanitization, and we have ordered for a fumigation machine, which we plan to do in the rooms every day, and before the customer checks in. And the guest and the staff is actually in-house only. We have a servant quarters, and we are housing the drivers of the guests and our staff in a 3-room cottage. It is a separate cottage, little around 100 meters from the property for the staff. So the staff is there only, so they are not traveling. So they are all, and the usual temperature check and fumigation is what we plan with sanitization obviously.
Very interesting.
For the safety sanitization point of view.
Okay, so you have discussed, you have touched the point of sanitization. Just wanted to also check what are your plans to keep your customers sanitized. I mean, how do you plan to do that?
We plan to offer when we open. Right now, it is all in the lockdown. When we open, we plan to offer our customers a separate cottage. Like suppose we have a 3-room cottage, and normally when we can book a room independently. But now what we are planning is, because it is a remote property, the nearest market is around 15 kilometers away. So normally the customer comes and stays over there only, or maybe they move out in the daytime for Nainital or some place, or a Satal recreational facility at the lake. But normally people stay there only, and it is a 12-month very beautiful climate, I would say. So we plan that we are offering a full cottage to the customer, even if they are booking 1 room or 2 rooms. So it is like a hugely discount cottage at the rate of 1 or 2 rooms also, so that they can be isolated from the other families. Suppose we have 2 families, so we will give separate cottages to the 2 families, and we will not put the 2 families in the same cottage. So that is for the distancing of guest to guest, and we are offering room service. Earlier we used to do the food only in the dining area, but now if the guest does not want to come out to the dining area to sit with the other guest, so we plan room service. So if they are in the room service,
so you talked about sanitization. Yeah, please.
And because we have a separate lawn with every cottage, so it is like a house in the hills. It is like a private house in the hills, so they can just stay in the cottage, come out in the lawn, go to the market with all the necessary precautions, like a mask and everything, and then they can enjoy the climate basically.
So you
Yeah.
talked about Sanjay. You talked about sanitization. You also talked about social distancing. I just wanted to check one more thing. With current, contactless things becoming a new norm, how does your resort is planning to, get those things coming in?
I think contactless servicing is not possible because the staff has to go in the room to clean the room, and then even if they are offering food to the room, so either we can place the food outside on a table and then they can collect the food. But I would not like say that travel industry will start in full boom when they are at least sure about the staff and the other hygienic factors. They can wear the gloves and but contactless. I won't say it is possible in a travel industry. What do you say?
So how about how about a self-check-in kind of scenario coming in the way airlines work, something on those lines, maybe something online.
The booking is online. You can pay the full amount and you can directly go and check in. There is a register at the counter table, and that can be obviously sent to the guest to fill it up. And otherwise, it is pretty much contactless only. And a social distancing of around 2 meters is if it is available to the reception. So that is, I think, should serve the purpose. We have to maintain a social distancing, and that will serve as a contactless service.
Hmm. Okay. And with how do you plan to have social distancing within the employees of the resort also?
With the current scenario, the social distancing has been maintained, and they have been allotted different rooms to stay. And when they are been advised to wear the gloves, mask at all times, and do the regular sanitization, wiping of the hands with the sanitizer. And I think that is good enough for a. I think it should serve the purpose for maintaining the hygiene of the employees, and we can do a thermal check of the employees every morning, the temperature check of the employees every morning. That should, I think, suffice for the current scenario.
And do you think the way we used to have, first aid box in our rooms, do you plan to have any health safety kit which might be designed for customers going forward?
That can be designed. It is not ready right now. The safety first aid kits, medicines, the routine medicines are available in the reception. Maybe we can keep a separate kit in all the cottages. That can be designed. And as the lockdown opens, I think the industry will automatically advise us how to go about it, the norms, the practices followed by the other big players in the market will advise us how to play, and we will follow in due course.
Okay, okay. And do you think, because as of now there are not standard guidelines on sanitization or anything on those lines, by when do you expect that there might be a standardized guidelines on those lines? That what kind of sanitization standards you have, what kind of quality check and hygiene factors you have? What do you think by when these kind of guidelines would be there?
The guidelines are there. I think the standard distancing, the gloves, mask, a face shield by the kitchen, the chef. The chef is supposed to wear the face shield, and the waiters and the service staff is supposed to wear a face shield. And I think the current scenario is on these terms only, that you have to be technically distanced from the other person. And if the staff is told and given a training to restrain from touching his face and to wipe the surfaces, the counters, the games area, the play area, the swings, if those are like the railings of the staircases, if they are cleaned regularly on a regular basis every 2 hours, I think that should serve the purpose of the basic hygiene.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. In the last, would you like to share something with our future guests, Sanjay?
I would say that the family time is obviously has been entertained and undertaken by everybody at stay at home only. Those people who are looking for a good climate and for bonding between two families, I would say, like two brothers are not meeting, so they may be wanting to bond over a vacation, and going on the hills and enjoying the 24 hours togetherness is required after the lockdown in your houses. So this is the lockdown within family. I would say a nuclear family with two families going there to become a one big family, and the family itself will enjoy the company of each other, and the place and the hills automatically has a very, I would say, a romantic kind of a scenario. So the whole experience would be awesome.
So, I just wanted to ask one more question. It's a very amazing intent which you just shared, right? But let's talk about the cost part as well. With all kind of these kind of standards which are getting improved, sanitization getting in, and all that stuff getting in. How much cost do you think would increase for the end user eventually? Because eventually he need to pay from his own pocket, right? So, what the kind of rise in rentals are you expecting?
I think the hotel industry is as it is under loss, and the 2 months lost of the season, the hills have a season of April, May, and June. The season has already been lost, but I think a 500 rupees per room per day charge on a customer, if that is increased by the hotel industry, so they will take care of the hygiene products and the other. Uh, I would like I told you that we are giving 3 rooms at the price of 2 rooms. So around 500 rupees increase of the basic rack rate will do for the moment. The losses have to be borne by the property owner only. The sentiments of traveling and the attraction of traveling has to be given to the customer again. It has been lost now, so that it has to be given again to the customer. So though you cannot increase the cost and you cannot burden the customer with all the losses. So I would say the same rate or a 500 rupees a room rate increase will do the purpose.
So eventually that would also depend on the market dynamics.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Sanjay. Thank you so much. That was quite an interesting and eye-opener fireside chat with you. And thank you for your time.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks.